In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your file in Photoshop. If you've been working on a project and you're ready to save your progress, this guide is exactly what you need. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, we'll go through each step to ensure your artwork is properly saved. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Once you've launched the application, it typically opens to a welcome screen. You can either start a new project or open an existing one. For today's demonstration, I'm going to walk you through saving an existing project. So if you haven't already, make sure your project or image is open in the workspace. Next, you'll need to add the image you want to work with. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image file into the Photoshop workspace, or by going to the File menu and selecting Open. This action will allow you to browse your computer's files to find the image you'd like to edit or save. After locating your image, click Open, and it will appear in your project workspace ready for editing or saving. Now that your image is open in Photoshop, it's time to save your work. You have a couple of different options regarding file formats, with the most common being JPEG and PNG. These formats are widely used for their versatility and compatibility with various platforms. To save your file, head to the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Upon selecting Save As, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose where you'd like to save your file. You can select a location on your computer that's convenient for you. Below the location settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu for file formats. Here, you have the option to choose either JPEG or PNG depending on your needs. JPEG is ideal if you need a smaller file size and don't mind slightly reducing image quality. It's great for photographs and images with lots of colors. On the other hand, PNG is your go-to if you want to retain image quality, especially if your image includes text, graphics, or a transparent background. After selecting your preferred file format, click Save. Once you've clicked Save, another box might appear asking you to choose the quality of the image, especially if you selected JPEG. You can adjust the quality slider to balance between file size and image fidelity according to your preference. When you're happy with your settings, confirm by clicking OK, and your file will be saved to your specified location. And there you have it. We've successfully saved our file in Photoshop, ensuring our hard work stays intact. Remember, continuously saving your work can prevent any loss of progress due to unexpected issues. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Photoshop.